Oh, you want me to throw my hot Cheetos? Here.
Let her know you're there. Oh my god. They're avoiding her. They know. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're like, can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Oh my god. I would be so scared if I was her. She's lucky she can't see anything. Oh god. Oh! They're all around her. They can tell. Oh. Oh. They're getting curious. I think they're too smart. Ah, is that funny?
It's totally not into it.
Nope, they can tell. It's okay, come on.
Closer.
Daddy!
See, those are goldfish.
Yeah, they're goldfish. Oh, yeah. They're trying to jump around her. They're trying so hard to avoid her.
There you go.
Oh. Oh. One's on the towel. Oh my god! It's on top of her. Oh my god.
See, now they think it's okay.
Yep.
Daddy!
I would be freaking the fuck out. Oh my god! Oh my god! Is she okay? She's not moving. Is she okay? I didn't think it would work. Oh my god.